food. Welcome to our new show where we travel across Italy, savor, cook and try local foods, meet with culinary experts and discover the magic of each city together with the help of a local guide. I'm your host, Tatiana. This is episode 1. We're in Siena, the beautiful medieval city that's located in the region of Tuscany, that's known for its Gothic architecture, its annual Palio horse race, and of course, the food. We've got a full agenda in the works for today. We're going to start with a quick breakfast, then we're going to head to a local trattoria / cooking school to cook some local fresh pasta, and then we're going to explore the city, try some more of its food together with a local guide. Finally, we're going to end the day with tons and tons and tons of more food. Let's go! I always like to start the day with something sweet. And here in Siena, there are several very famous biscuits that I thought would be perfect to try for now. This is the place. It's called La Nuova Pasticceria. I won't say what we're going to try yet. You're just going to have to come and see. So first of all, we've got ricciarelli over here. And as you can see, it's got this beautiful cracked surface, but then it's actually quite dense on the inside. Let's go for it. Let's give it a try. Oh my goodness. That's so dense and chewy and sweet. Next, we've got cavallucci. So cavallucci, the word actually means small horses. And this is made from a mix of different ingredients, including anise, walnuts, candied fruits, coriander. Less soft than the ricciarelli, but really, really packed full of flavor. And then we have the third tasting, which is called panforte. And this is made with nuts, as you can see, honey, spices, and then it's just absolutely covered with this powdered sugar. But let me give it a try. Wow. Packed full of spices, that one. They're also different, so definitely give these a try when you come over to Siena. I think I'm going to be fueled up for the day with all that sugar. I just arrived at Fonte Giusta to partake in a cooking class and to watch some Sienese fresh pasta being made in front of me. Partaking in a cooking class here in Siena, you get to see for yourself up close the love and the passion and the freshness of the ingredients. I'm particularly excited for this Fonte Giusta cooking class. It's an entire immersive experience. They live by their own motto, cooking, coming together and sharing. Oh, buongiorno. Come stai?
Un piacere, bene.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is Giuseppe himself, the magic behind both the Trattoria and the cooking class, who's going to be leading the experience today. This, as you can see, is where the pasta making is going to be taking place. So we're going to be making 3 types of pasta. The classic Sienese pici, which is like a long, typical pasta from Siena. Gnocchi, which is made with potatoes. Ricotta and spinach, ravioli as well. And then tiramisu for dessert.
Dopo il tiramisù.
We're going into the kitchen. I can't wait. I'm super excited. Look at this. Right, so here in the kitchen, you have the pasta sauces being made. The pasta itself is cooked. The tiramisu is made over there. And most importantly, the Fiorentina steak is prepared right here. And we're actually going to be lucky enough to try the Fiorentina later on tonight. You're going to want to stay tuned for that, I promise. So the pici, the gnocchi and the tortelloni have all been prepped and they're ready to be cooked. Right now in the kitchen, Giuseppe is preparing the sauces. The smells in this kitchen, you cannot imagine. Just take a look at what's happening before you. So if you'd like to meet Giuseppe and his fantastic team and partake in this cooking class yourself, then click the link in the description box down below. You'll find more information and you'll also be able to book your very own class. I mean, just look at what's happening behind me. It's an entire immersive experience. I'm going to do a little round of Siena to explore some of its other famous foods. And with me, to guide me around, I have local Sienese expert, Sarah.
Hello.
When it comes to Siena, what's one of those dishes that pops to mind that is really what makes the city?
I think, of course, the pici with wild bird sauce.
It's a hand-rolled pasta. It's long in shape, it's quite rustic, and you can only find it here in Siena, right? What would you say that Siena is known for in terms of history or just day-to-day?
Well, of course, for the horse race, Palio. It's a horse race that takes place twice a year in the summer.
These different colored flags and lamps, is that to do with the...
Yes.
Okay, that's what I thought. So it's the symbol of each contrada,
yes.
I guess? Are you hungry? You ready for lots of food? Because we got lots to try.
I'm absolutely ready.
I can smell is it the cinta senese that I can smell?
Exactly. Cinta senese with eggplant and pecorino cheese.
Wow,
Delicious.
so it's like all classic products of Tuscany. And the bread itself?
A thin
flat
bread,
yeah.
yes.
Called schiacciata. As you can see, the beautiful cinta senese, which I guess this is like a salami version of it.
Yes.
And it's got black pepper as well throughout. And then underneath you've got the melanzana. The cheese is in between. And what the cinta senese, I've heard about this, and it's very particular to Siena because it's like a particular kind of pig.
It's typical for the black hair. I think you can find it only here.
Tell me if this is true, but I've heard that they have a very strict diet and that they eat acorns. Is that true?
Exactly.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, that's a good combo. What's the next step?
No, so it's aperitivo time, so I suggest we can try some tagliare with some local cured meats and cheeses here at Gino Cascino.
Oh wow, look at this place. Looks beautiful.
Ciao Angelo, come stai?
Wow, the smells in here. You walk in and you're just hit with all this cheese and cured meats. So we're gonna have just little bites of what's really typical here in Siena. What is an aperitivo without wine? Then it's not an aperitivo, right? Oh my goodness, this looks divine. So we got 4 meats, 4 cheeses. What do we start with?
We are going to start with homemade bread with curcuma inside, and that is paired type of lard that is made here and is conserved in marble.
That sounds so cool. So the lard, it just disappears in your mouth. It just melts in your mouth. And then this is so light and crispy. We're gonna be trying this soft fondue, which is
2 types of pecorino, semi-seasoned one.
but the combination of the vin santo and the peppers are just, I don't know how to describe it. It's amazing. It works really well. If I understand correctly, he was saying that this is a blend of red and white grapes. Is that possible?
This was actually a wine made in the area of Chianti Classico and was considered a Chianti Classico. But now it's not anymore because it contained white grapes.
Should we give it a sip and see what it's like? Salute. Cheers.
So this is salami made with a local breed of pork. Angelo was explaining to us how they have very strict rules on how to feed the porks and how to breed them.
Wow, there's so much flavor packed into that because it's got quite a sort of woody flavor to it. So you can kind of almost feel and taste what they're eating, which I suppose is the concept. You are what you eat.
Okay, so now we're going to try pecorino from Pienza, a small town in the nearby of Siena.
Sheep's milk again. Yeah. You can definitely taste it. So he said it's one of the most beautiful things that we'll try. What are the ingredients?
Eggplant with lavender, there are mushrooms and soppressata.
Did you say lavender?
Yes.
As in lavender, as in the smell? Wow, that's an incredible combination. This is an interesting one. It's with hay, is that correct?
Yeah,
Or-
it's soft faced pecorino cheese.
So here you can see that's the hay that obviously was completely covering the outside of the cheese and protecting the inside. That's much more delicate compared to the other ones we've tried. It's almost translucent. It's very thin. That's beautiful. It's a very strong taste. That's pepper, isn't it? Black pepper. You can really taste it. That really comes through. And then let's head over to the cheese.
So you see it's more dry compared to the previous one.
You can taste that that's aged longer than the others for sure. Angelo, you are un angelo.
Un saluto a tutti, grazie tante, grazie di cuore.
Right, we're off. We're on to our next adventure. Ciao! We're back. Tonight we're going to be trying tortelloni with cheese and truffle. Then we're going to be moving on to pappardelle with duck.
After that, pici all'aglione.
I like it. Oh my God, so 3 pastas. Okay, we got this. And then after that, we've got the Fiorentina. It's the special kind of beef that we need for the Fiorentina. Okay, so this is dish number 1. So this is the tortelloni, and it's filled, as you can see, with ricotta and spinach.
Okay.
So we've got lots of flavors going on.
Right.
My goodness, why is the tortelloni green?
We add some spinaches
there we go.
to the dough.
So this is the pappardelle, I'm guessing, and it's like a duck ragu. Is that fair to say? Yeah. That's incredible. Right, this is the famous pici. It's the most famous pasta of Siena.
Yes,
Yeah.
absolutely.
That's so garlicky. I love garlic. So even the garlic is protected because if it's grown somewhere and it comes from a particular place, then of course there are laws around it. And yeah, I think this is my favorite. But we haven't tried the Fiorentina yet, so I shouldn't speak too soon.
Valentina.
Oh, I can hear it sizzling. Oh my god. So this is like the Italian T-bone. Should we dive in? I can't wait. So I'm gonna. So this is made from canina beef, which is a very particular kind of cow, just cooked on the grill. I get the rosemary too. First bite. I have no words. I think you saved the best for last. I didn't think it could get better than the pici, but this is probably my favorite. It's so good. Unfortunately, we've come to the end of our Siena journey. Thank you so much for watching this first episode of For the Love of Food. I hope you enjoyed seeing what this beautiful city has to offer. And remember, you can join Giuseppe and his amazing team and experience the cooking class for yourself here in Siena. So check out the link in the description box down below for more information and to book your very own spot. You don't want to miss it, I promise. I think we're pretty much done for the night, so should we say goodbye? Ciao!